you know me.
So yeah, guys, this is like my first time playing Wolf or Other. I hope. Oh no, she's getting tripped by the wolf. Dumb Brooke. Brooke died. Look at Oliver. He got that shocked face. Nora, Oliver about to just made. Oh, the wolf.
What is that year? I can't sit no more.
Run, Nora, run. Run, Nora, run. Oh, David. Run, Nora. It was Rigby. Rigby was the killer. Rigby was the killer.
Let me do my intro real quick. Hello guys, I am playing Wolf or Other.
Rigby was the killer.
I mean, I've been doing a lot.
But at least Nora made a run for it.
I do not have enough.
So yeah, guys.
Okay, guys. I am gonna be the wolf today.
Today, guys.
Yes, I'm the wolf.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Liar.
I'm the wolf.
I'm a civilian named Darren.
Kill all the people you can. I'm gonna kill you.
Don't let the wolf get you.
Huh? What is this called?
Kate is not the wolf. Like,
Yes, I am.
no,
Let
you're
me kill
not.
you.
Tribal brain?
I'm Ben Id.
So what's instead?
You Benedict.
Yeah.
You're not the wolf because you would have killed me. I'm Darren. Turn into the wolf then, Kaden.
I'm not gonna kill her on my way then. Okay. Let me kill ya. Let me kill ya. Let me kill ya, Alva. Let me kill ya. Boom.
You're not the killer, liar.
Come back here. I'm actually not the killer.
I knew it. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Where is the killer?
Let's go down here because I'm an old man. I don't even know I'm old.
So yeah, guys, looks like it's the three amigos running from whoever is the wolf. I'm going with Holly though.
Holly, I don't trust you. You look creepy. Holly, where did you go?
It looks the same.
Holly is so small that she can go there.
What you do? I keep burning myself. How? Why are you doing that? The spoon is hot. Be careful, friend.
It's Oakley, run! Oh my gosh, Oakley's coming.
He's trying to get more points for this game.
Time to be Starfire. And I want to have something that I can be versatile, like put it into a bun.
Yes, I hear you have to save us all.
I killed him. Yay!
Yes, I hear saved us all. Make sure you join the Kingdom Combo Bottom so you guys can get 10,000 Robux each.
Because I want to be able to be versatile.
Darren, save the day. Whoop whoop. Save the day. Whoop whoop. Save the day. Whoop whoop. Save the day. I told you it was Oakley because he was hiding.
I knew.
And it wasn't heavy.
I have 0 coins and I wanted to get.
I got 42 coins. This is amazing. Amazing. 42 coins. Amazing. I'm innocent. I'm Primrose.
innocent.
Me too. I'm Primrose.
I'm IBIS.
And how much was this? 120.
Are you Ibis?
Yeah.
And I'm Primrose. Stokely's the killer. Run!
I keep on dying.
Oakley always the killer.
Put it up in a bun. You can do whatever. See, me, I just want it like to right here. Like to right there.
Right.
I don't want
And
it.
she's probably not even going to charge you 120. She charged you 120 coming out with.
The killer's always Oakley. Shoot Oakley.
Hello,
Shoot
guys.
Oakley.
I'm going to show you the picture where I had them out.
He killed a girl. That's not good. Shoot
Hello,
Oakley.
guys. So
Shoot
today, I
Oakley.
am with Zaire. Right, Zaire?
Right. Run, Holly.
Wait, I'm Diggle now. I'm Nigel.
No, you're not Nigel. You're watching that.
Who's the wolf? Wait, I don't know.
It's Oakley.
Oakley.
And it's just one specific person that you do.
Yeah.
Oakley.
I gotta go to work this Friday.
Because I'm not going until probably like another week.
Okay,
Hey,
so
he
I gotta
killed
go
Oakley.
Friday, so I'm gonna stop by because my doctor.
Yay!
Yay! Can you get your feet off me? Ah!
Woo! I survived. 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 Survived. I won again. I won again. Wolf slay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop.
Oh my God. You gotta be very
Loading map. The map never changes.
I'm Holly.
I'm Valerie.
She's her dad is oh God, he's from an island.
Why do I keep on
So that's why her
jumping?
Sanaya has skin like me, like when you wet it, it curls up.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, I'm just lonely.
Always like that. Yeah, because my dad here, his hair was all the way down to here.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I died. Rodella, it's up to you.
Hello, you guys.
So yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of my video. Peace. Oh, it wasn't even screen recording.
I got the jumbo braid. You see that date that says